Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my channel. Today is November 4th, 2023, and I'm going to discuss gold, senior gold miners GDX and dollar index. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy the content on this channel. After last week's impressive breakout of gold above $2,000 mark, the passing week was a torture up until Friday. For the entire week, gold remained under a key $2,000 mark, but on Friday's economic data release, it jumped once again above this magic level, but immediately retreated. Every time gold gets hammered under $2,000 level, some investors get very frustrated, but in reality, it's a healthy price action. Imagine two enemy lines are fighting across a trench, say bulls and bears. Bulls managed to form two attacks in the last week, but retreated every time. However, every such attack is quite painful for the bears, as bulls cause damage and destroy and soften enemy lines. Eventually, when the defense line is weakened after multiple attacks, bears will capitulate. And I don't think there will be any major fight over triple top, as I believe bears are trying to defend the last defense line around $2,000 level with such fears. I also suggested that gold isn't going to produce any major pullback, as some expected. Gold, in my opinion, is destined to break out higher, and there would be no point in forming a deeper pullback and letting more and more investors to pile into this trade. And I also don't expect this battle around $2,000 mark last any longer. The longer it remains around the present level, the more investors will start to join the party. Once bears capitulate around $2,000 mark, which could happen already next week, gold could start attacking a triple top immediately. Once the process is initiated, things should happen very quickly. There will be no time to think or hesitate for those who are still contemplating to enter the trade. I cannot rule out another shallow pullback, but I think gold is getting ready to do what we have been expecting for some time. Breakout above triple top most likely will be epic, like nothing we saw in the past several decades. That is what I personally believe to be the case. Just look at the senior gold miners price action yesterday. On a 0.3% move in gold, GDX added nearly 5% on a day. Moreover, GDX had successfully held on multiple retests after a breakout. Big investors realize that the major event is very close and that gold will explode above $2,000 mark. So they are busy buying gold and silver miners aggressively. Once GDX overcomes $30 mark, it should immediately progress to the next level around $33, which is 12% from present price level. Such move could happen in a matter of a few days. Every piece of puzzle is coming together. Dollar lost around 1% yesterday after forming a false breakout from a bull flag formation earlier in the week. Furthermore, dollar broke the lower band of the formation. Looks like dollar is starting its decline after many months of strength. Being precious metal investor is tough. I'm very proud that we made it this far, since this sector is the most heavily controlled one. It is typical for the gold to be smacked down from Friday to Monday, and I'm glad that we all enter a weekend with a good mood. This is it for today. Stay well and enjoy the weekend. Please note that this video is not an investment advice and prepared solely for educational purposes.